everyone. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. Today we got more than 100 subscribers, which is a massive achievement, and I'm really excited to bring more videos of these 6 cute kittens, and I hope I can achieve 1000 subscribers before they turn 12 so I can adopt all of them. And it's actually very overwhelming to see support of so many of you. And I think I've received a comment from one person who wanted to know about them a bit. What's their name? So we have Ross here. Hi Ross. Hello Rosie. Ross is a tortie, and he's a seal point and flame tortie. We have, who do we have here? Who are you? Oh, that's Joey. So we got 2 boys, Ross and Joey. So Joey is again a tortie. Hi Joey. Hello darling. Hello. He's a tortie of again a seal point and flame point. So the 2 boys. Then we have 2 girls here. Hello girl. Hi girl. Hi girly. Hey girly. Hi girly. Oi girly. Oh girl. Oops. Oopsie daisy. So we got here, her name is Rose, and we call her Snow Rose because she's so pretty. We call her Snow because like she has the most white, and again if you see her face, she got a ginger face, and she's a tortie, lilac and flame point. Then we have this other girl who is for some reason, stop annoying Ross. He's trying to sleep, darling. He's trying to sleep, darling. Come on. So this is Phoebe. Say hi, Phoebe. Oi, oi, oi. Phoebe and Ross have a bond, just like friends. That is Coco. Her full name is Coconut. Look at her face. We name her Coconut because of her face. Coco is again a tortie, which is a lilac and flame point. Phoebe here, again a tortie. Look at her face, cute face. Lilac and flame point. Then we have Dior, who's sleeping, and she's the prettiest, and you'll find her in almost all the videos because she's one of the most active one, but she's sleeping today for a change. She's also a tortie, and she is a seal point lilac tortie. So that's 6 of them. We got 4 here, 5 and 6. And a brief indication of how I recognize them, to be honest. They all look very similar, but they all have different face marking. So I look at their little cute face and I know who I'm looking at. Thank you so much, guys, and I love your support. I love every single comment, and it's very motivating. So they will turn 5 weeks tomorrow,